If you want to use custom fonts in Canva, don't worry. Canva makes it easy to upload and use your own fonts so you can create more unique and professional designs. Whether you are designing YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, logos, invitations, or marketing materials, custom fonts can help your designs stand out and match your personal or brand style. The good news is that adding fonts to Canva is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to add fonts to Canva in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero design experience. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Depending on your account type and Canva version, you may see an option called Brand, Brand Kit, or Brand Hub. Click on that option to continue. Before we go further, it's important to know that uploading custom fonts is generally available on Canva Pro, Canva Teams, Canva Education, and Canva Nonprofits accounts. If you are using the free version of Canva, you may not see the font upload feature. Once you open the Brand section, scroll down until you find the Fonts area. Here, you will see your current brand fonts if any have already been added. Look for the button that says Upload a Font and click on it. A file selection window will appear. Navigate to the location on your computer where your font file is stored. Canva supports popular font formats such as TTF, OTF, and in some cases WOF files. Select the font file you want to upload and click Open. Canva may display a confirmation message asking whether you have the legal right to use and upload the font. Read the message carefully and confirm if you have permission to use the font, then continue with the upload process. Now wait a few moments while Canva uploads and processes the font. The upload time is usually very short, although larger font files may take slightly longer. Once the upload is complete, the font will appear in your Brand Fonts section. Now let's use the font in a design. Open an existing Canva project or create a new design. Add a text box to the page by clicking the text option from the left side menu. Once the text box appears, click inside it and then open the Font drop-down menu located in the top toolbar. Scroll through the font list or search for the name of the font you uploaded. Click on the font name and Canva will instantly apply it to your selected text. Then you can adjust the size, spacing, color, and alignment just like any other font in Canva. If you do not see your uploaded font immediately, refresh Canva or reopen the design. In most cases, the font will appear after a quick refresh. Another useful tip is organizing fonts inside your brand kit. If you manage multiple projects or clients, keeping your fonts organized makes it easier to maintain a consistent design style across all your work. If Canva shows an upload error, make sure the font file is not corrupted and that it uses a supported format, such as TTF or OTF. You should also verify that the font license allows embedding and uploading. Some commercial fonts include restrictions that may prevent uploads. You should also keep your browser updated for the best Canva experience. Using the latest version of Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari can help avoid upload and compatibility issues. So that's the easiest way to add fonts to Canva in 2026. The main steps are opening the brand kit, clicking Upload a Font, selecting a supported font file, confirming usage rights, and applying the uploaded font to your designs. Most users can complete the entire process in just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.